For many chosen ones, life before 40 feels like preparation, confusion, delay, and pressure. While others seem to build, settle, and stabilize early, you feel as if your path moves in slow motion. This is not failure, it is formation. The life of a chosen one does not begin late. It begins deep. The first reason the life of a chosen one begins at 40 is because awareness matures up. Before this stage, knowledge is mostly borrowed. After years of loss, mistakes, endurance, and observation, wisdom becomes embodied. Chosen ones are not meant to act from theory, but from lived truth. 40 marks the shift from learning lessons to becoming the lesson. The second reason is emotional mastery. Earlier in life, emotions control decisions. Reactions override discernment. By 40, chosen ones have been humbled enough to pause, reflect, and choose consciously. Pain refines emotional intelligence. The storms you survived earlier trained you to remain steady later. The third reason is identity separation. Before 40, chosen ones often try to belong to families, systems, expectations, and roles that never truly fit. Around this age, the need for approval weakens. The mask falls. You stop performing and start aligning. Life begins when you stop trying to be understood and start honoring who you are. The fourth reason is the collapse of illusions. Many chosen ones experience a breaking point in their late 30s. Careers lose meaning, relationships reveal their limits, old dreams dissolve. This collapse is not destruction, it is initiation. What falls apart was never meant to carry you into purpose. Only truth survives this phase. The fifth reason is spiritual authority. Authority does not come from ambition, it comes from endurance. By 40, chosen ones have faced enough resistance to stop seeking validation. Their words carry weight because they are not trying to convince. They speak from alignment. Silence becomes powerful. Presence becomes teaching. The sixth reason is clarity of purpose. Earlier, purpose feels abstract. After years of wandering, it becomes precise. Chosen ones no longer chase multiple paths. They recognize what drains them and what activates them. Energy stops being wasted, focus sharpens. This is when direction replaces confusion. The seventh reason is detachment from fear. Fear thrives in uncertainty. By 40, chosen ones have already lost enough to realize survival is not the goal. Meaning is, this realization breaks fear's grip. Decisions are no longer made to avoid pain, but to honor truth. Courage becomes natural. The eighth reason is timing alignment. Many chosen ones are protected from early success because premature elevation corrupts. Delayed recognition preserves integrity. At 40, when ego has been softened and discernment sharpened, alignment becomes possible. What arrives now can be stewarded, not wasted. This is why many chosen ones feel younger inside after 40. Life no longer feels like resistance, it feels intentional. You are no longer becoming, you are being. The years before were not lost, they were invested. If you feel like your real life is just beginning while others feel tired or stagnant, you are not behind, you are on schedule. Chosen paths are not linear, they are layered. Another reason life begins at 40 for a chosen one is the loss of urgency to prove anything. Earlier years are often driven by comparison and invisible pressure. By this stage, the chosen realize that proving is exhausting and unnecessary. They no longer compete for recognition. This inner detachment creates freedom. When you stop trying to be seen, you finally become visible in the right way. There is also a deep shift in how time is perceived. Before 40, time feels like something running out. After, it becomes something to be used with intention. Chosen ones stop rushing decisions and start honoring timing. This patience is not hesitation, it is mastery. They understand that what is aligned does not need to be forced. Another transformation happens in relationships. Chosen ones begin to choose quality over familiarity. Old connections that survived only through habit fall away naturally. New connections feel fewer but more meaningful. This refinement is not isolation, it is precision. Life becomes quieter but richer. Around this age, chosen ones also become comfortable with solitude. What once felt lonely becomes grounding. Solitude turns into a place of strength, clarity, and restoration. Being alone no longer feels like lack, it feels like alignment. This is when inner guidance becomes clearer than external voices. Finally, there is a noticeable shift in how challenges are faced. Problems no longer feel personal. Setbacks no longer shake identity. The life of a chosen one does not begin when the world applauds. It begins when the soul is ready. Motivation. You need where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction. after experience.